Have you ever wondered how to make a perfect pizza at home? Well, you're in the right place. Crafting the perfect homemade pizza is an art form, and today we're going to delve into the magic behind it. First, let's talk ingredients. The soul of every pizza lies in its dough, a marriage of flour, yeast, water, and a pinch of salt. Then there's the heart, a rich tomato sauce, simmered to perfection, and carrying a hint of garlic and basil. And of course, the crowning glory, a generous layer of mozzarella cheese, creamy and slightly salty, melting into a bubbly pool of deliciousness. But the true beauty of pizza lies in its versatility. With a myriad of toppings to choose from, you can let your creativity run wild. From fresh vegetables to succulent meats, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to a perfect pizza is using fresh and quality ingredients. They elevate the flavors and take your pizza from good to unforgettable. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the first step. First things first, the dough is the foundation of your pizza. It's the canvas on which all your tasty toppings will sit. Now, to make the dough, you'll want to combine warm water with a sprinkle of sugar and yeast. Let this mixture sit for a few minutes until it becomes frothy. Then stir in some flour and a bit of salt until a sticky dough forms. Now comes the fun part, kneading. This is crucial for developing the gluten in the dough, which gives your crust its chewy texture. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then let it rest in a greased bowl covered with a damp cloth. It needs to rise until it's doubled in size, which usually takes about 2 hours. Rolling out the dough is an art in itself. You want to strike a balance between a crust that's too thin and one that's too thick. Aim for about 1/4 inch for a crust that's crispy on the outside, yet fluffy on the inside. Once the dough is ready, it's time to add some flavor. Now comes the fun part, topping your pizza. Picture this, a spoon swirling rich tomato sauce all over the dough, creating a canvas for our masterpiece. Now we scatter a generous layer of melty mozzarella cheese. The beauty of pizza is its versatility. You might prefer classic pepperoni, or perhaps you're a fan of tangy pineapple. Or why not mix it up? Try olives with feta or barbecue chicken with red onion. There's no limit to your culinary creativity. Now our pizza is ready for the oven. Here we are, the final step, baking the pizza. It's crucial to preheat your oven to a piping hot 475 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a delightfully crispy crust. Once heated, slide in your pizza and set a timer for around 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it though, as oven temperatures can vary. You're looking for a golden brown crust and bubbling cheese. And there you have it, a perfect homemade pizza. Enjoy your meal.